Lukas here with FastCap. This is our new FASTenon. This is the 5x28 size for when you're using your 5mm cutter, and it is fantastic for attaching face frames. You don't have to change the depth on your domino from your carcass cut to your face frame cut. Cool feature of it compared to other FASTenon too is it actually has ribs on the X direction surfaces. So if you're using your domino on the wider setting to get things to line up easily, it'll still stick in there and make a nice tight joint without any glue. So it replaces a Festool domino. You just put it down in your slot, give it a little hammer in, and the barbs are going to grab so well that you can make a joint without using any wood glue at all that's almost as strong as a domino joint with wood. There's the FASTenon 5x28. Get yours today, FastCap.com.